Policy abuse is a growing challenge, costing merchants millions in lost revenue every year. Providing personalized experiences increases loyalty and customer lifetime value, but these experiences also open up a lot of surface area for abuse. Merchants are stuck. If they apply too strict of policies, they create a poor customer experience, but too generous of policies results in significant loss in revenue. Forder's abuse prevention solution identifies and stops abuse at the source to protect revenue, while delivering a quality experience for genuine customers. Built upon the world's largest online identity graph of 1.5 billion identities, abuse prevention uses identity-based decisioning and probabilistic linking to detect, flag, and block repeat abusers at both points of checkout and post-purchase. Forder's abuse prevention curbs more types of abuse across more touchpoints along the customer journey than any other vendor, including promotions, returns, INR, reseller, reshipper, and limited item abuse. Forder's abuse prevention empowers you to create, modify, simulate, and publish your policies directly within Forder's portal through our self-service capability called Policy Builder. Simulations leverage your own data and can be applied to historical data to assess what the impact of a policy would have been, or to live traffic to see what the impact of a policy will be before setting it live. Seeing the implications before pushing a policy live means empowering fraud and digital teams to optimize and ultimately personalize abuse policies with complete confidence. And what's more, simulations give you the ability to surface new policy abuse types within your data that you might not have been able to identify before, giving you the opportunity to address these new forms of abuse and ultimately to reduce significant loss for your business. Within Policy Builder, you also have the ability to track performance of your policies and their impact on revenue and customer experience over time directly within the Insights tab. This view shows you aggregate performance data. In addition, the Insights tab shows you all of the individual transactions that were impacted by your live policies, so you're always aware of the financial impact each policy you set is delivering. Unlock complete visibility and control with Forder Abuse Prevention to pinpoint repeat abusers, to significantly reduce loss, and to drive customer lifetime value. To learn more or request a personalized demo, visit Forder.com.